Understanding road shoulder, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase road shoulder in English. This term is commonly used in conversations about driving and road safety, so understanding it is crucial for English language learners. Let's dive in. The road shoulder refers to the strip of land immediately beside the roadway. It's typically a paved or gravel area that runs parallel to the road. Road shoulders serve several purposes. Emergency stopping, a safe place for vehicles to pull over in case of an emergency or breakdown. Pedestrian use, in some areas, pedestrians might use road shoulders when there are no sidewalks. Cyclists often use road shoulders, especially on roads without bike lanes. Road shoulders play a vital role in road safety. They provide extra space for vehicles to avoid collisions. Road shoulders are essential for emergency vehicles to bypass traffic. They offer a place for road maintenance and construction activities without disrupting traffic flow. There are different types of road shoulders. Paved shoulders, made of concrete or asphalt, offering a smooth surface. Unpaved shoulders. These might be gravel, dirt, or grassy areas. Hard shoulders, a term used in some countries for a paved road shoulder designed specifically for emergencies. Let's see how road shoulder is used in sentences. The driver pulled over onto the road shoulder due to a flat tire. Emergency vehicles often use the road shoulder to reach accident sites quickly. Cyclists are advised to ride on the road shoulder where available. I hope this video helps you understand the term road shoulder and its importance in road safety and traffic discussions. Remember, knowing such specific terms not only enhances your English vocabulary but also aids in understanding real-world contexts. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.